inside a 1970 Chevy Camaro right now. This car, fantastic car. Look, finished in a beautiful green with black stripes on it. It's got a big block in it. Beautiful 4-speed manual transmission. This car shifts so good. It drives so freaking well. I'll get onto it here in a second just so you can kind of see what that big block can do. It's fantastic. Can't get enough of this car. This car is so much fun to drive. Like, come on. Come on. It doesn't get better than that. Do a little brake check here. It stops super good. Super great brakes on it. It shifts so good. I just can't get enough of this car. I can't. It's so much fun to drive. This is probably one of the funnest cars I've ever driven. Doesn't pull either side. Steering. You know, it's an older car. It's kind of soft. But it's still stiff when you need it. Super great car to drive. It is so much fun. It is so much fun to drive this car. Like, you know, you could drive, you know, you have your classic cars and everything, but to me personally, I feel like this car sits on like the upper echelon of classic driving experience. This is one of the funnest cars I've ever driven in my life. Clutch feels fantastic. The clutch in this car, it's amazing. It is amazing. It is so much fun to drive. This car, I keep talking about it because I'm just having such a good time driving this car. Oh man. I'm going to show you all the underbody of it here in a second just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, but this car is so much fun to drive.